Cheers and hi from Ed over at Antique Toys. Today we're going to concentrate on Chrysler airflows made by Hubley Toys of Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Yes, we have a crazy collection to review. Thank you, James, for lending it. We're going to start with an unusual color, sand color. And this particular toy has a strap and a battery and an on-off switch. Granted, that battery's about 90 years old, but it's still real nice. We've got a pewter color, and then we've got a challenging to find coupe in really good condition. And this ends up, I guess, being Chrysler, and this guy ends up being DeSoto, and that ends up being Chrysler. And here's some other colors. We now have medium colors of this taupe. So you get the large sand, then you get the medium, and the medium ends up being, gosh, you almost want to say only 2 inches different, but it's much, much more substantial. And then we're going to pull up the smaller size. So we have that full flight of colors. We get a girl's color here, and I say that with respect because I do believe they actually marketed for young ladies. Kind of a pink to salmon, slightly more pink, and then the medium size pink to salmon. Very interesting color combo. And then of course we got the green with the airflow, and then the blues. So again, contrasting. Got your large, so contrasting. You've got your small, and then you got your large. There's very substantial size difference. All right, so please keep me/us over at AntiqueToys.com. My name is Ed Sanford. I can be reached at toys, T-O-Y-S, at AntiqueToys.com. So toys at AntiqueToys.com. And I'd love to get a hold of photos from your Hubley collection to share, network, trade, purchase. We also consign. And keep us in mind for auctions like the production we have right now on LiveAuctioneers.com, which is Mars Auctions on Live Auctioneers, January 20th, 2024, and it will be an ongoing series of auctions. So take care. Cheers from Ed. Have a great day.